All right, so here we are on board Enchantment of the Sea. This is Owner Suite 8020. Let's check it out. Okay, they don't have the tap cards because this is an older ship. So we gotta slide our card in and let's check it out. Owner Suite 8020. And first we're gonna give you a quick walk around. As you can see, a huge amount of room for a cruise ship cabin. And let's start right here. With a suite, you get the Avion water. We're Diamond Plus, so we each get 3 bottles of water. And the guest services always gives us a bottle of champagne. And usually with a suite, they haven't come here to put the ice in yet, but they will do the ice twice a day. Here is your power switch to turn on and off all the lights in the cabin. And let's check out the bathroom. So starting off, you got a toilet. The owner suite comes with a bidet. Fancy. You get a full walk-in shower. And then you also have the jacuzzi tub. And you can ask your room steward to get that ready for you if you want. The owner suite has a double sink. And you have, oh, somebody left the towel behind. And then you have additional drawers and more underneath. And with the suites, you get the Mountain and Gets shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Okay, that's the bathroom. And let's head over across to the closets. Plenty of closet space on these, especially on these older ships. So here you can see you have a full closet. Oops, sorry about that. And then the suites, you do get your robes. You have more hangers. Moving on, you have your desk. Now these older ships do not have all the USB plugs, but they do have 2 American plugs, 2 European plugs. You got your mirror, you got your backlights, and here you have all your control of your lights. Then you have some more storage drawers here. And you can see you have a hair dryer, shoes, plenty of drawers. These older ships have plenty of space. Coming across to the other side, you got your Royal King. And these all have these themed pictures. And here you have your phone and your light switches. Unfortunately, there's no plugs by the bed. And coming over, you have your second TV. And this should be the cooler. Here's your cooler. We'll call it a fridge because it's not that. So here you got more. Here's your in-room safe. Back there you got some more plugs. A lot more drawers. You got your Lavazza coffee maker that comes with the suites. And more storage. And you have your in-room dining table. And you can have the main dining room delivered dinner at no extra charge. It's included. Here you got your 2 lounge chairs with a footrest. And on the other side, you have your sofa. And another chair. and another phone. And as I said, all of these rooms are basically named after explorers. And now let's go check out the balcony area. All right, let's check out the balcony. Here you got 2 recliners. And you got 1 chair here, 2 chairs and a table. Swing around so you can see it a little better. So there you go. So there you have it, folks. This was the owner suite 8020 on board Enchantment of the Sea. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a like, subscribe, help us grow the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.